Mail time! Mail time!
Professor's got a letter, professor's got a letter, professor's got a letter. I wonder what it is. You, Professor Socrates.
I can't read it. Can you read it for me?
Sure, Professor Socrates. Dear Professor Socrates, how do plants grow? According to Wizard Circle, I need to ask you so I can understand it better. Hope to get the answer from you as soon as possible. Thank you. From Dentsu. There you go, Professor Socrates.
How do you grow?
I grow because I have tissues. These tissues allow me to grow in length, in width, and all around.
Okay. Plants grow because they have tissues. There are two kinds of plant tissues. The meristematic tissues and permanent tissues.
What are meristematic tissues?
Great question. The meristematic tissues allow growth. It comes from the Greek word meristem, which allows cell division. There are also called pseudotissues, which undergo cell differentiation. There are three kinds of meristematic tissues. The first one is the meristem. It is found in the tip of the root or stem and allow organs to grow longer. There are two kinds of plant tissues. The meristematic and permanent tissues.
What are meristematic tissues?
Oh, great question. The meristematic tissues allow growth. It comes from the Greek word merisei, which allows cell division. They are often called pseudotissues. They undergo cell differentiation. There are three kinds of meristematic tissues. The first one is apical meristem. It is found on the tip of the root or stems that allows that grow longer. Oh, therefore that thought we won't be tall without them.
Yeah, you're right.
Right. The other meristem is lateral meristem, which allows sideward growth. It is involved in formation of branches. The last type of meristematic tissue is intercalary tissue, which is grown in between apical and lateral meristems. Oh, Professor! How about the permanent tissues? What are their functions? Receive a video call.
Permanent tissues are for support and protection. They are also called mature meristems. There are three kinds of permanent tissues. First is fundamental and ground tissues. The ground tissues form the main bulk of plant and have three types of cell. Parenchyma contain plastids and they are involved in photosynthesis. The second type is the collenchyma. and they function mainly for support. And the last type is the sclerenchyma. The sclerenchyma cells, which are composed of dead cells. There are two types of sclerenchyma cells. The fibers, which are long and slender, and the sclerides, which are rough dead cells that you can usually feel when eating chico. The second type of permanent tissues are the dermal tissues, which protect the surface of different plant organs. And the last type of permanent tissues are vascular tissues, which transport xylem is a vascular tissue which transports water and minerals. Phloem transports organic nutrients.
Now it's time for so long. And we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart, you know it, me and you. And our dog